Today there was a court hearing regarding Kenneth Mckinney in the Justin Evans case. A few weeks ago, we initially heard from Ken in court via Zoom. When he first appeared, Glenna, who is Ken's wife, answered for Ken and said that she was representing him. The judge questioned who Glenna was to Ken. She said, "I'm his wife." And he said, "Where's Ken?" And she says, "Right here." And he said, "Great, get Ken on the phone." And so it was audio only. So we then heard Ken talk. Now, he stated that he was planning on pleading guilty and he just wanted to get it done with as fast as possible. In that initial appearance, he was advised to speak to duty counsel, and they had set the date for today, August 3rd at 9 a.m. Now, he appeared again today, audio only, via Zoom. What was interesting is the judge asked him to unmute, and we only heard heavy breathing. I'm still not sure that that was actually from him. And then his lawyer stepped in. So he is now being represented. And so I'm not sure what happened, but basically the lawyer stepped in and Ken did not talk. Now the lawyer actually responded instead and said to the judge, "I just had a resolution meeting this morning with Ken. He's asking for more information, August 31st, that he continue pre-trial. So his next date will be 4 weeks from today, and that will be August 31st. I'll keep you updated on that." And Ken was charged with obstruction of justice. And when it comes to obstruction charges, it could be a variety of meanings to it. And according to Canada, it says obstruction of justice can involve actions such as refusing to identify yourself to an officer where required to do so by law, giving false name or identification, lying to police about the circumstances of a crime, inciting others in dealings with an officer, questioning an officer's authority, paying a person to give false evidence, and threatening a witness. So there's a variety of things. And it says the potential legal consequences of a conviction of obstruction justice include a criminal record, imprisonment, probation, and fines. Now with Ken, he provided a false statement to police on Saturday, December 19th, which is 5 days after Justin was reported missing. So it has me curious if everyone gave statements the day that they reported Justin missing, which is that evening of Monday the 14th, including Ken, he was there, then I'm curious as to what the statement was that was given on the 19th of December. Now, in between the 14th and 19th was the dates that the authorities had come. They secured the shed and the property of the Mckinneys, and everybody left. Now, interesting note too, or side note, Ken and Glenna went to a hotel, reportedly, while Bud and Kiera actually stayed at a family member's house at the trailer park, so just a little ways down where Justin was killed. So I find that interesting. However, between the 14th and I actually believe it was the 17th, it was the Thursday that they had the house released back to them. So within those few days, and then by Saturday, there's a false statement given. So very curious on that. Let me know what your thoughts are below. We had speculated before that perhaps it was because he said that he was in Barrie, Ontario, but he wasn't. However, again, something's bothering me about that. It's like, why isn't it December 14th he gave the lie? Unless they had to give him, get a statement from him after they went through the house and they wanted another official statement. I'm very curious about this. I feel like there's something more to this, but that's my thoughts. You let me know in the comments below. So Ken faces a potential charge of a $5,000 fine or 2 years in jail. And we will see what happens in the next 4 weeks, or in 4 weeks on August 31st. Now, many people are asking me for updates in this case. I have been away for over a week now on a much needed break, and I'm just getting caught up on all emails and comments and all the cases. So I will be updating you. Beside the court hearing today, I know that the toxicology has not yet come back, and so there's still no official cause of death. Now, also, Justin's roommates, Bud and Kiera, have moved away from the area, from the trailer park. That's my understanding and what I've been told. They moved shortly after the incident that happened of the items being stolen from the memorial, Justin's memorial. Now, if you know information, and I believe several people out there who are watching know more about this case and are either too afraid to speak up, or worried about consequences or worried about their safety, which I get it because there's quite a few people who are, but there's a lot of chitter chatter out there, but that doesn't get the case solved. So I know a lot of you, like I said, are concerned about your safety, but you could always reach out to Crime Stoppers anonymously. You could do that online, or you could do that by phone. And I suggest that's one way that you can give the tips there, and then that way you're not concerned about your identity or anything like that. It is anonymous. So I will have that number across the screen right here, and also I will give the link to the online where you could report online down in the description box below. Now, if you have something you'd like to share with me, you can always do that and email me at itsacrimeandashame@gmail.com. Make sure you put at the subject line Justin Evans case, so I know that is pertaining to Justin. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Please like and please share. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you soon.